Welcome to Suprex Learning, where we tutor ages K through 12 in college through fun, creative, and individualized education plans to ensure student success. Our SAT and ACT private test prep lessons are one-on-one and can be done in-home, at our center, or online worldwide. We pair you up with a fully qualified and background check tutor within days of registering. Build a schedule around your availability and frequency needs, and package it all up with an affordable hourly price. In our SAT and ACT test prep program, students see at least a 15% increase in scores. We focus on understanding and time management by practicing completion tips and tricks, as well as reviewing individual week topics, vocabulary, and essay essentials. Quality lessons, mock tests, interactive online practice, homework, and more help us bring you to at least a 200-point improvement guarantee. Our goal is to strengthen the student's own cognitive processes in a natural and comprehensive manner, equipping the student with the techniques and strategies he or she needs to excel. We offer in-person private test prep tutors in Houston, Austin, Dallas, New York, California, Illinois, and other cities nationwide. We are committed to the growth and development of each and every student that we work with. Call today for a free consultation appointment or to register at 866-700-2433 or visit suprexlearning.com. If you have already done so, welcome aboard.